Hey everyone, I'm Ben Brust and I'm going to show you our new locker room. We just got it about 2 months ago and it's really exciting. Got some brand new cool things and I'm ready to go show you. First thing you see when you walk in, we got a little history of Wisconsin basketball. First Big Ten title, 1912. NCAA title, 1941. We got Rick Olson, Michael Finley, Mike Kelly. A lot of good history with the Badgers here. Then we go down the line even farther, we got Devin Harris, Mike Wilkinson, Orlando Tucker, Coach Ryan, of course, all-time winningest coach in Wisconsin basketball history. Right here we got the ping pong table. Best on the team, by far. But others will argue not, but we'll get some footage of me kicking their butts later on. Right here in the back wall we have a mural of the win against Duke in 2009. As you can see, the students rushed the floor, and I think that one was a little bit crazier than the one against Ohio State. Within a split second, that court was packed. I remember watching it on TV. It was really exciting. Right here, we got some nice couches. Before practice, some guys like to just relax a little bit, do some homework, eat some food. We got some nice high top tables over here with some stools. People eat their food on. I think we're gonna get more TVs too. So we got 2 good ones here. Might get 3 above, so we'll be able to watch TV. We'll have Big Ten Network, ESPN, and maybe play some video games up top. So it's a really cool thing we got going on here. Right here we have our nice little iHome setting. Stick the phone in here. Gets pretty loud if you really turn it up. We really use this before the games. When we have home games, we got a good routine, play some fun songs, some songs that we get excited, so really loud too, I like it. Got the film room right here. Not a lot of decorations yet, but I'm sure we'll get some W's on the walls, but comfy chairs. We come here after games to watch clips with Coach Ryan. We can learn, get better, use it for later games, or we'll come here before games and we'll do scouting reports with Coach. So it's a nice thing to have. Joe Krabenhoff, former Badger, works up there. If something goes wrong, Coach can yell at him. But we'll get some decorations in here. We'll get some W's on the wall for sure. So here we are in the players' locker room. We got some nice, good lockers, good size, nice chairs. We got some messy teammates here, I think. Trays. I don't even know how you find stuff in there, that's ridiculous. And then next to him, Jordan Smith isn't the cleanest either. He's got some stuff in here. So here's one locker, not very clean. I guess he's got 2 lockers too. I think those are Mike's ice skates though. But it's a good, kind of a horseshoe type shape. We had square locker, like a square shaped locker in our old locker room. So it's cool that you can see everyone and have good, better conversation. So here's mine, I'm pretty clean. It's got my practice gear in here, a couple shoes, stuff in there. We just moved into the locker room a couple months ago. So we picked the lockers by seniority. So Jared got the end spot. I know he likes this because he's got outlets, he's got storage space, he's a big dude, so he needs all of his leg room. Then me and Dan picked over here. Mike, Ryan. I guess the spot to be for the older guys, we like the end spots with more room. All the freshmen, sophomores kind of are stuck in the middle. This is where we leave to head to the court. It's very convenient because as soon as you step out, you're right there. Right now the rink is down, but for games, it's really easy. Check out Gregory's smile. That's a mean smile right there. Literally 20 steps from the locker room is our dining hall. Last year we had to go up the elevator and walk down the hall. Ooh, I know, but it's kind of convenient, so I'll take you in here. We get training table pretty much every day. Anytime we're at home or at practice, we have a meal set up. So grab a tray, get your silverware, some plates and some bowls. My favorite meal is tacos. They'll have some yogurt here, some corn, and then when it's taco day, I'm getting hard shell and soft shell. I know guys like ribs, that's another favorite meal. But overall, the meals in general are really good. So, and you'll have your dessert here. After you get all that, we will head out this way, right across the hall. And here's the dining center. You got your drinks, there'll be some fruit set out over there. We usually sit on this side, hockey's over there, but just kind of the way it goes. We got a TV. Last year we had TVs about this big, and so this is really convenient. A lot of times after practice we'll watch big games, big college games, teams we're gonna see later on. So it's cool to watch with the teammates and get a good idea of what's ahead. Well, thanks for taking the tour of the locker room with me. We're really excited to have it. Thank you to all the people that made this happen. It's really a great and unique thing. So I'm off to practice on Wisconsin.